Hello, this is Greg Wagner. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to log into VMI. So the web address to get the virtual machine, which will give you a Windows 10 machine box through your browser, is view-edu.pima.edu. And so you'll get this, just use your normal login. So my username is gwagner3, and then my password is a bunch of dots. And I leave the edu./domain the same, and I'll do login. And then you should get this window. I have this academic computer for doing kind of teacher stuff, but you should see a window that says CIS 279. Click on that, and then this will bring up a virtual machine. So I already have one open, but I'll kind of close this up and see it. So you should see a window that contains basically an empty page and then NetBeans. I know some of my other texts I said use Eclipse, but if you want to use the virtual machine, you can type on NetBeans, and since Pima's paying for this, I figured I might as well use it, and I have this saying is, why have nice things if you're not going to use them? So most of my demos for this class will be in NetBeans, mainly just because Pima's paying for it and might as well get used to their licenses. But you, again, as I said earlier, you can use any IDE that you want. So I'm going to double click on NetBeans. This should come up. And then you have this basic IDE. I started making a package already, which you can see in the top left corner. And since this is a web browser based, there's a little bit of latency when you try to do connections. But say for instance I didn't have anything. I'm going to make a new file, so I'm going to click on File, New Project, and then I'll make a Java project. But notice that they have Java FX in here, which we'll use for the GUI stuff later, and then and also some stuff in the samples. And so what I'm going to do is I'll just do Java, hit Next. I'll call this, I had one called Test Application, I'll call this Test Application 2, and finish. And then it will bring up basically a basic page for you. And then so I'll just basically make a hello world so I can show you how to run it. I'll do system.out.println hello CIS 279 and semicolon in it. Hit save, and then up here on run, I'll run project 2, and you notice here it did the code. And then so if you want to add additional stuff, if you right click on source packages, you can do a new class, and this will make a new file for you. It's the operation for NetBeans, which I think is a pretty good IDE, has a lot of the similar operations to like Eclipse if you're familiar to that, something you used when you took my CIS 131. So this is just a very quick video of how to get started with our VMI that I literally just found out about it about an hour ago, but I wanted to give you a video of how to use this.